This is a beginning of a new project going to add on to the back of my storage building here. We're going to make an 8 by 24 foot addition to replace the old building down there at the end. Got some things I need to get out of this building to open up some floor space to work on projects. Today we're going to start laying the footings for the building. I'm not going to put it on center blocks. I'm going to pour some concrete, and we're going to video as we go. It's going to take me a while to do it with all the other life happenings that go on each and every day. So what I'm doing is putting these forms every 8 foot. I'm digging down about a foot or a little more in the ground to give it sort of an anchor, and then a 3.5 inch platform for a 6 by 6. I think that's what I'm going to use to support the 2x8s around the edge that will attach to the bottom of the other building. But I only made 2 forms. I thought I'd do them 2 at a time. The ground's sort of wet, so I don't know how long it's going to take for the concrete to set up. I poured 2 footings and quickly discovered that the ground is extremely wet from all the rain we've been having. I'm going to hold off from pouring any more until this has a chance to set up.